Well, hello everybody. Gus Gardener here, and today we're going to cut out some roots that are in the ground here that are poking up and getting in the way of us doing things like mowing our lawn. So, this is what happens when tree roots start to come up to the surface. And boy, do they make it rough on the mower. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this today. And I think it's a pretty simple method, so most of you could do it. And don't worry, I don't think this hurts the tree at all. There's plenty of roots down there to help them grow. It's just these roots are right in the way. So we're probably doing the tree a favor. Those roots get snagged by the mower and they're open for disease then. We don't want that. So let's do that tree a favor and cut those roots out. Do ourselves a favor too. All right, let's get started. All right, so here are some of the tools we might use. There's kind of a little hand pick that we can chop away at it with. There's a big lopper here. There's even this nice saw. But you know what? I've discovered my secret weapon is a plain old drill with a wood bit on it. In this case, it's a 1/2 inch. We'll try that out, but I have a lot of different sizes. And the reason that works so good is because it just simply drills down through. It doesn't have to dig the dirt or anything, and it doesn't dull the blade when I hit the dirt. So I know some people want to use something like a chainsaw, and sawzalls will work too with a big blade. But this one really cuts through, and you can get a lot done very quickly. And I'll show you real quick now how that works. All right, that didn't take long at all to get these 2 cuts made here. But you noticed that even when I hit it with this, that root doesn't want to come out of there. And that's because roots send down other smaller roots, and they're holding this in place, even though that's a small piece. So that's where you have to do a little digging and get underneath it and to get that up. But that shouldn't take long at all, so we'll show you how that looks. Okay, so we got that little piece out, and you can see we'll work our way around that root there. This is how many roots are around here now. There's some here, some there, some here, and you can see this one, how it been shaved off the top by the mower going over it. We have some big ones over there. So I'm going to keep working on it here. I won't show you everything, but I think you get the general idea. And just sort of slow and steady work our way along. Well, all right. I think we got a lot of them. I think we cut up about 15 or 16 of these surface roots, some real big ones. And you can see right over there, there's the big stack of them. And there's the tools I used. So don't be afraid to get your tools out when you do this job. And I used each one of these. There's a little Maddox thing there, big loppers, my drill, and a kind of a hand axe thing over there. So those all came in very handy getting these roots out. And sometimes you just grab the root, pull back, and it lifts right out of the ground and breaks off. So don't be afraid to use a little brute force too. Let me show you what these holes look like here. So there's one there. You can see them around here. There's some more up there. There's some more down here too. So it doesn't look like much now, but boy, trying to go over those with a lawnmower was a real challenge. All right, well, thanks for watching, and good luck with your roots. Today, I think we got to the root of the problem. A little gardening joke for you all out there. All right, talk to you later. Bye.